once you come to this ultimate course right here, which is in the description below, click on that, watch the little video if you want to, and purchase the ultimate trading course. It's a one-time purchase. There's no subscription fee, and it will be updated weekly. And like I said before, I'm going to do my best to put a live feed inside there and connect with all of my members that purchase the ultimate trading course. You'll be on my email list, and I will notify that email list of what is going on and what's happening with the live trading that I'm going to try to do. Okay, so as you can see, Forex trading course for beginners. I'm trying to go after people who've never started this, but also intermediate and advanced people. I would definitely have a conversation with you about trading, but I'd also actually just be showing you what I do in trading. And then if you want to follow me and make the same trades and make the same type of profit, by all means. Ultimate Trading Course reveals huge opportunities, how to Forex trade for beginners, and the Ultimate Trading Course. So this blog is meant for people who want to start learning how to earn income from home, the simplest way, without a boss. Okay, so if there are any people out there with any questions, I see that there's not too many people watching. I'm wondering sometimes if this platform really wants anyone to see what's going on with the trading that I do specifically. That's why I don't put most stuff on here, because most of the people that you see online that are BSing you basically about trading and trading their demo platforms, you know, the social media platforms that they're showing you and their videos are on, love what they're doing because they're not really showing you the truth about trading, okay, and the truth about making a profit. Isn't that what we're doing here, right? So if there are not going to be too many more questions, I'm gonna cut this video off a little short. We've been on for about 18 minutes or so, and I definitely want to help anyone and everyone that I can. Click on the link in the description below. Get the Ultimate Trading Course. Start your journey with me in learning how to earn income from home, whether it's $25 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day, or more. And I will do my best in the Ultimate Trading Course, especially with the updates, to continue to show you what is possible and what you can also do. Okay, so with that being said, if there's no one here that is going to ask any more questions, I will definitely leave this to counter space and to the rest of you watching it when it's not live, which is okay. You can always put your questions in the chat, and I'll do my best to answer any of those questions that I can. But the fact that there's not very many people on here means that I don't think that they like what I'm actually trying to share. So with that being said, click on the link in the description below. Get the Ultimate Trading Course. Go through it. Make sure that you follow me step by step. And I can tell you this much, you have a great chance in doing what I'm doing, which is making profit consistently every day and every week. Click on the link in the description below to actually get the Ultimate Trading Course, and I will see you on the next video.